Nandyan ang kaba at tensyon, syempre sa puso ng bawat bata ngayon. Pero dahil sa tulong ni Coach Paolo at tulong ni Coach Miguel, sobrang ready na sila para sa kanilang semifinals moment. Let's watch this.
May mga boses na nakakaiyak, may mga boses na nakakakilig, may mga boses na powerful. Ang taglay na boses ni Gianni at ni Audris ay parehong kakaiba. Si Gianni, marami siya kayang gawin. Very versatile, pero isa sa mga strengths niya yung mas jazzy na atake. Kasi may pagka-smooth talaga yung boses ni Gianni. Malinis, may power pa rin, pero swabbing power. So Audris naman, from the start, yung pagka-edgy ng boses niya, yung pagka-rock, trinig at ramdam mo talaga Yung naging challenge niya dito is kailangan niyang i-apply yun sa isang song na mas technically complex. Makikita mo naman sa performance night, yung delivery ng song ay nagagaling sa kung gaano sila ka-ready. Pero yung din, tsaka yung lalim ng tama, mararamdaman mo naman kung gaano nila kagusto talagang pumunta sa susunod na round. Masasabi ko rin na pinahirapan namin yung mga sarili namin. Kasi, nung umpisa pa lang, ang pinaka-criteria namin para sa Bengada ay bawat isa sa kanila may kakaibang boses. Sa totoo lang, minsan mas madali pang umili kapag medyo magkapareho yung boses. Kasi, mas malinaw kung sino yung mas skilled sa panahon na yun, sino yung mas nakapag-practice, sino yung mas handa. On the performance night, mafe-feel mo na lang din talaga kung sino yung handa para umabot sa finals.
Bengada, parinig naman ang pangmalakasang one-liner nyo para sa inyong kids tonight.
Kuya Dong, simple lang. Sing to the orange-colored sky and find the voice within.
Wow! Ayun na, nandun na yung clues. So, to sing Orange-Colored Sky, please welcome Gianni, and to sing the voice within, Audris.
Young girl, don't cry. I'll be right here when your world starts to fall. When you're safe inside your room, you tend to dream of a place where nothing's harder than it seems. Where there's no one else. Look inside yourself. You'll learn to begin to trust the voice. You'll make it. You'll make it. Just don't forsake it, because no one can stop you. You know that I'm talking to you. When there's no one else, look inside yourself. Like your oldest friend, trust the voice within. Then you'll find the strength that will guide your way. You'll learn to begin to trust the
Goodness gracious.
Oh, tumagos pa sa puso nyo ang performance ni Gianni at ni Audris. Coach Julie?
Tagos sa buto hanggang sa kaluluwa. Na-impress ako sa iyo, Gianni, dahil ang hirap kasi nung song na yun eh. It takes, proper diction, phrasing, at nagawa mo yung lahat with, you're matching with moves, ganyan. And I thought your performance was really great and you're super cool. Cool kid. Audris, grabe pinakita mo sa amin yung vocal range mo. Napaka-versatile ng boses mo.
Thank you, Coach Julie. Coach Bill?
Para kay Gianni, it's unintimidating pero iniinganyo mo kaming samahan ka sa performance mo. And that's what you did. Dito naman kay Audris, ang lawak ng range mo. Performance-wise, both of you guys are absolutely amazing and it's up sa coach nyo.
Pretty boy, Gianni! Nandun yung swag and charisma mo na hindi rin basta-basta makukuha yan ng lahat ng performers. Just shows how of a performer you are. Audris, rin to eh. Iba birit nito, iba yung technicality nito. It shows then how you really deserve to be in the semifinals with Ben and Ben.
Yeah, it's, super proud na coaches nyo. Coach Paolo and Coach Miguel.
Gianni, yung ability mo to charm everyone showed so much dun sa performance na yun. Palakpakan natin si Gianni. Grabe. Ikaw naman, Audris, your power has always been there. At na-move kaming lahat sa performance mo. Sobrang congratulations and may the best performer win tonight. So,
Thank you, guys. Si Marian and Arian are ready to give it their all, kaya humanda na sa kanilang pasabog in just a bit. Dito lang sa The Voice Kids. And now, Coach Pao, Coach Mix, sino naman kina Gianni at Audris?
ito yung pinakamahirap na naging desisyon namin kasi sobrang close fight talaga. And so, ang pipiliin namin para sumampa to the finals of this season of The Voice Kids sa Team Benkada ay si Gianni.
Give it up for Gianni.